Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome to our online learning initiative Ekalaiva. Last class we have discussed about excretory system. Now we are going to learn about these objectives are nervous system and sense organs. Do you know children, how do we understand when something is hot or cold, or when something is sweet or bitter? Okay, it is on nervous system which controls all of the senses like touch, taste, smell and sight, etc. But do you know what is the nervous system? The nervous system brain, consists of a brain, spinal cord and sensory organs and all of the nerves that connect these organs. These are responsible for the control of the body and communication among its parts. See children, this is the picture of brain. How do you remember the way to your school? What makes you dream? What makes you think of the answer to your teacher's question? Can you say, when is your mom's birthday? You're thinking. Yes, it is brain that enables to do this. The brain controls our thoughts, memory, speech, movements of arms and legs, to the functions of many organs within our body. It receives information from all the parts through different nerves. Our brain is made up of three different parts. Each part has its own work to do. Cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. This medulla is also called the brain stem. Let me see about the cerebrum. If you are speaking to someone, you start to think about the person. That make you feel so comfortable and open to speak with him. But there controls something your speech. Can you guess what is that? Yes, our cerebellum only. The cerebellum is the largest part of the brain. It's a dome shaped surface. It controls the working of eyes, ears, nose and tongue. It also controls our voice. It helps us to think, learn, remember and reason out things. See children, this is the cerebellum. Can you see this picture? Say for an example, while you are walking or cycling on the road, how will you control your balance? Your cerebellum controls all the muscular activities. Do you know where it's located? Below the cerebrum is the cerebellum. It coordinates the actions of the muscles and makes them work together. It helps us in an upright posture. So your cerebellum works when you are run, sit or move. Children, we do not have to think about doing all these involuntary movements like breathing, pumping the heart and digestion of food. Do you know which part of the brain is doing these actions And do you know where it's located? Beneath the cerebellum lies the bulb-shaped medulla and also called brainstem and also called brain stem. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls involuntary actions like the movements of lungs and the heart. This part of the brain keeps working even when we sleep. Now let us see about the organ. Can you guess, children? It decides what to do and quickly tells us to the body part. For an example, you drop a hard object even before you can feel the pain that can come from a burnt hand. As soon as you touch it, nerves quickly send a message to heart. This message goes straight to your spinal cord. The spinal cord is a thick cord of nerve tissues which extends down from the brain stem. It is about as thick as one of our finger. It is protected by our spine. Messages travel from our brain down to spinal cord and to all parts of our body. Nerves are long thread like structures that carry messages between the brain and other parts of the body. Nerves are made up of bundles of fibers. These are like telephone wires which link every part of the body to the brain. Children, now we are going to learn about one more interesting organ. Can you tell me what's happening around us? What are you doing now? Can you say what is the color of your dress which you are wearing now? Which organ help us to know outside the world? The organs which helps to know about the outside world as known as sense organs. The five sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Here, now we are going to learn the first sense organ. Which part of your body let you read the books and check out the colors of rainbow? Yes, absolutely correct. Our eyes. We see with our eyes. Our eyes are like a camera. The eyes send the pictures of all the things around us to the brain. The brain tells us what we are looking at. Now, how do we hear the different sound? With the help of our ears. We can hear different types of sounds. We hear with our ears. They receive different kinds of sounds and send messages to our brain. The brain tells us what we are hearing. Now we are going to learn one amazing organ in our body. Can you guess, children? Your mom is cooking the tasty food. How do you smell this food? With the help of our nose, we can find out easily. The nose is the body's primary organ of smell and also functions as part of the body's respiratory system. Air comes into the body through the nose. Hairs in the nose clean the air of foreign particles. You cannot taste any of that without this organ, children. Can you guess? Yes, that is our tongue. We taste with our tongue. We can taste sweet, salt, that is a salty, sour, and bitter things with the help of our tongue. See here, one more taste is there. That is umami is the fifth primary taste. It is a combination of all the four tastes together, isn't it? That is called umami. Shall we see about the next organ, children? All of us are not with the same complexion. Some of us are dark, some of us are white, and some of us are white to light brown. Children, can you guess what is that? Yes, the skin forms the outermost covering of our body. It protects the internal organs. We can feel the sensation of touch, heat, pain, or pressure because of our skin. Heat, cold, soft, or rough, etc. Children, I hope you all enjoy this session, children. Thank you.